So always wanted to find out what happens when you put all of your scraps into a pile and try to make a mold out of it. And so that's what I did. I used 410 and 415 for about, I don't know, and that's Fahrenheit. I used that for probably 10 minutes. Anyways, so I put some soap, some surfactant. I don't know. I didn't really have anything as a pre-release. So it didn't really work that well. So make sure when you do this, if you do this, I think the best thing you want to do is make sure you have another way of releasing it. So I just really pounded that after putting it in the freezer, and that just released the solid block right there. So that's all. There we are. So looks ugly as ugly as shit, and all the colors started to burn. So just be careful when you hit like some. I think it's way better when it's equal size, small pellets. And then I'm going to try this again. So this is definitely a good way to use your stuff. And then again, this only took me 20 minutes. So if you can fill a mold in 20 minutes with PLA pellets, and not have an expensive injection molding machine to have, you can even CNC this. You can do anything you want with these scraps, but there is a way to recycle. And the other thing is it's biodegradable because it's PLA. So this is a multiple recycle situation. So I'm really excited about the casting. Even though it looks like complete shit, it's a really good way to reuse it. Yeah, here are the parts I just made. Really, they're solid. That's a solid color. So it looks really terrible, but that's the first go.